Hi, good morning. Yes, good morning, Vikas. Welcome to this YouTube live class. So I hope you guys are doing good, students. So in today's class, students, we will be studying we will be doing MCQ questions, a mock test on permutation and combination. So before I start the class, let me introduce myself. I'm Cleeta Ma'am, your mathematics educator for KCET on Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. So students, I am a postgraduate in mathematics and have been taking up mathematics classes for quite a few years now. Alongside being a mathematics teacher and tutor, I'm also a Vedic mathematics trainer. Yes, so I'm happy to be here to take this live class on YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are ready for this session. Yes, who do we have in this class? Yes, I have Vikas. What about the other students? Can I have you all giving me your messages in the chat box there? So students, besides taking classes here on the YouTube channel, we have the live classes happening on the Unacademy platform, that is the special class series. In order to access these special classes on our platform, right, you will need to use the code that I'm sharing with you all, which is Cleeta Live. Using this code, you will get an access to all our live classes on the platform there. Now if you're liking my classes, right, you would love to join me in the classes on a platform, you will find a link in the description of this class which will help you all to join me in the live special class on the Unacademy platform. Besides that, I'm also taking up classes in the plus category. So the benefits of the plus category, students, are on the screen. You will have live interactive sessions with all the top educators on our platform. Alongside, we will also have a dedicated doubt clearing session. Keeping the practice for the competitive examination in mind, we conduct quizzes, test series, mock test on a regular interval. Right? So if you haven't got your plus subscription, please do get your plus subscription and join me in the batch preparation courses. So the Champions batch is a batch that I'm teaching currently for the KCET 2021. Apart from that, there are also different batches, the Kannada batch, and there is the other batch which is the comprehensive course for KCET 2021. Right? So get your plus subscription, join us in the plus classes. You could enroll to any one or all the plus classes, the batch courses, students here. And you are getting an access to the classes of all the top educators for your topics of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Everything with a single subscription. Right then, so let's begin the mock test. So students, I'll give you all the question and a minute of time to give me the answer for this question. So this is your first question for today's class. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 5, 6, 2, 3, 7 and 9, which are divisible by 5 and none of its digit is repeated? Yes, give a try to this question and leave your answers in the chat box there. What do you all think is the right answer for this question here? You're asked to have 3-digit numbers, students, right? So let's have a box for the 3-digit number. So how many different digits are we given here? You are given 5, 6, 2, 3, 7, 9. So we are given 6 digits, right? And you're given a condition saying the 3-digit number that you're forming, this should be divisible by your number 5. The numbers which are divisible by 5, we have the condition that the digit in the units place should be 5 or should be 0, right? Out of the digits given here, we have 5. So 5 is the only digit that could be placed here in the digits place. So the units place, we have only one possibility to fill in. Now the another condition that we have is digit, none of its digits are repeated. So repetition is not allowed. So I cannot place the number 5 in the hundreds and tens places, right? So how many digits are we left out with now? 6 minus 1, which is 5. So I can fill in the tens place in 5 different ways, and I can fill in the hundreds place. Now 2 digits are taken out from the 6, so I have 4 different remaining. So the answer here in this case would be 4 into 5 into 1, and this is equal to 20 different ways. Right? So option C will be the right answer for this given question here. Yes, I hope you guys are following this. If not, students, you can always leave down your doubts in the chat box there. I will be able to help you out. So meanwhile, let's proceed with the next question now for the class. So here you have the next question, students. In how many different ways can the letters of the word elephant be arranged so that the vowels always occur together? Okay, take a minute of time, students. Try figuring out how can you arrange. So the arrangement comes in picture with the permutation, right? So this question is regarding the arrangement here, that is permutation. So keep that in mind and try figuring out the answer. What would be the right answer here? Okay, first of all, let's check which are the different vowels given here. You have E, E and A. How many vowels do we have? So we have 3 vowels given to us, right, in the word, that is elephant. What is the total number of alphabets which are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now here you are asked to get the number of ways you arrange so that the all 3 vowels will come together, right? The vowels are arranged together. So what you do is consider all 3 vowels as a single entity, right? In total we had 8 different alphabets, right? Now we are considering 3 vowels here as a single entity. So we would have 5 consonants and the vowels to be arranged. So the required answer would be the arrangement of 5 vowels and the set of 5 consonants and the set of vowels. So that could be done in 6 factorial ways, students. Okay, now how would we arrange these 3 vowels, right? In these 3 vowels you have the letter E repeated, right? These 3 vowels will be arranged in 3 factorial ways since the letter E is repeated 2 times. Right, the arrangement would be 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial here. So our required answer would be 6 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 2, which is going to be 6 factorial is 720. 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 3 times. So this is 2160. So the right answer for this question is your option B. So did you all follow the solution here? Any doubts, any questions? Yes, Vikas, good. What about the other students? Is that clear, students? Did you all understand the solution? Okay, so let's proceed with the next question. Let me give you all a next question for now. Right, so here you have a question. This is somewhat okay, you could do it in the understanding of permutation, right? Okay, there are 4 bananas, 7 apples and 6 mangoes in a basket. In how many ways can a person make a selection of fruits from the basket? Yes, your question is there are 4 bananas, 7 apples and 6 mangoes in a fruit basket. In how many ways can a person make a selection of fruits from the basket? So give a try to this question, students. How will you all proceed here in this case? So think about it, right? At times he could just pick all 4 bananas or all 7 apples or all 6 mangoes, or he could just pick 1 1 1, right? So just follow me. Suppose if I have to make a choice of picking bananas itself, I could choose 0 1 2 3 4 or 5, right? The number of ways that I could select the bananas, this would be, right, 0 1 2 3 4, so which is going to be 5 different ways. Similarly, if I have to choose the apples, right, how could I choose this? I could choose 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 7, right? So there are 8 different ways of selecting them as well. Now coming down to mangoes, how would I, or in how many ways can I select mangoes? It is going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the value here would be, I could do this in 7 different ways. Yes, good morning Didi Mani, welcome to the class, students. Okay, so when you're choosing, you could either choose any number, so you're free to choose. So choosing the bananas could be done in 5 different ways, wherein the apples would be done in 8 different ways, or the mangoes could be done in 7 different ways. This includes choosing none of them as well, right? So keep that in mind. So the total number of ways that you could choose here in this case would be 5 into 8 into 7. Am I correct? So this is going to be 5 into 8 into 7. So you have 5 8s are 40, 40 into 7, which is going to be 280 ways. Now you are asked for the probability of selecting the fruits. We have also included the probability of having 0 banana, 0 apple and the 0 mangoes being chosen there, right? So we'll exclude the probability where all the quantities are selected in 0 ways. So our required answer here in this case will be 280 minus 1. So the answer would be 279. Yes, I hope you guys are following, students. If you have any question, please do leave your doubts in the chat box there. I will be able to help you out. Yes, if you're liking my classes, students, do not forget to give me a thumbs up there. That would be really nice, and do follow me on the platform here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to keep yourself notified with all the classes that will be happening on our channel here. So yes, let me proceed with the next question. So here you have the next question now, students. There are 15 points in a plane, out of which 6 are collinear. Okay, there are 15 points in a plane, out of which 6 are collinear. Find the number of lines that can be formed from the 15 points. Okay, so when I say 6 points are collinear, in the sense they lie on the same line. Am I correct? So think about it, students. So 6 points are going to be on the same line. So it is going to be a single line there, right? And you have the 15 points given, out of which these 6 are collinear. So in order to form a line, you will need just 2 points at a time. So this is going to be a question of combination. So basically the answer here in this case would be, out of the 15 points, you will have to select any 2 points at a time to form a line, right? But out of these 15 points, 6 points are collinear. Am I correct? So these 6 points will form a single line for us. So take +1 and subtract the lines which are formed by the 6 points taken 2 at a time from these 6 points. That is going to be 6C2. Yes, I hope you guys are following. Why are we excluding this? Because these points are collinear and these are forming a single line already. So we are excluding the possibility of having the lines formed here, because all of them will be a straight line itself. All of them will lie on the same line here. So we are excluding the lines formed by choosing 2 at a time from these 6 points here. So what would be your answer? This would be 15 into 14 divided by 2 into 1 minus 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1 and plus 1. So this is going to be 105 minus 15 and plus 1. Am I correct? So the right answer here is 91. So option C will be the right answer for this question. Yes students, all these questions will be helpful. Permutation and combination is a logical aptitude topic, right? This would be helpful for you all in the KCET as well as other competitive examination, not just up to your grade 12. If you're going for any other competitive examination, right, even the government examination or aptitude examination, all of this will include a permutation combination concept. So yes, let's proceed with the next question here. Here you have the next question. In how many ways 4 Indians, 5 Africans and 7 Japanese can be seated in a row so that all the people of same nationality sit together? Okay, give a try to this question students and give me your answers in the chat box. What do you all think will be the right answer for this question here? So here in the question they are given all the people of same nationality will be seated together. So all the 4 Indians would be together, all the 5 Africans would be together and all the 7 Japanese would be together, right? So all of them are going to be single entities here. So we have 3 different single entities students. So their arrangement can be done in 3 factorial ways, right? Now among the Indians we have 4 of them, they have 4. So these 4 could be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Similarly, the 5 Africans could be arranged in 5 factorial ways and the 7 Japanese could be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Yes, so the right answer here in this case would be 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 7 factorial. So the right answer for this question is option A. So this is basic question from the permutation. Right then, here is the next question. 4 matches are to be played in a chess tournament. In how many ways can the result be decided? Okay, this is your question. Take a minute of time students and give me your answers in the chat box. What do you think will be the answer for this question here? Yes Vikas, yes Didi Mani. Please do go ahead, give a try to this question here. Keep in mind in the chess tournament, right, you could have the result as a win, a loss or a draw. So these 3 are the possibilities for the result in a chess tournament. So there are 4 different matches, right? Each of the match has 3 different possibilities. So what would be the total number of possibilities for the result to be decided, or in how many ways can you all have this being done? Yes, anybody has the answer for this question? Okay, so you have few more seconds to go students. Likewise the hint that I gave you, right? You have 3 different possibilities. So what is the possibility of deciding for the result of a match? So that would be 3, right, for every match. So this is going to be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So our required answer would be 81. So option C is the right answer for this question. That is, the result can be decided in 81 different ways. Right? So here's the next question. There are 6 players in a cricket which is to be sent to the Australian tour if the total number of members is 12. Okay, the total number of members in that cricket team is 12. If two particular member is always included, then in that case, in how many ways can you select these 6 players here? Okay, this is a question. Yes, Shankar. Good morning. Welcome to the class. So there are 12 members, students. Out of these 12 members, you have to select a team of 6 players in which 2 players are already included. Right? So give a try. What do you think is the right answer for this? Please simplify the question and give me the numerical value, students. Which option do you think would be the right answer here? Yes, please go ahead. Total members is 12, right? You need to select 6 people. Here they have told 2 particular members are already included in the team. So out of 6, 2 are already decided. So what is the number of people that we need to choose now? That is going to be 6 minus 2, and this is going to be 4. Since out of these 12, 2 are already selected, right? What is the number of people which is available from which we have to choose a 10? This is going to be 12 minus 2, which is going to be 10 here, right? So our required answer would be 10C4, students. The required answer here in this case will be 10C4. What is the value for 10C4? Yes, can you all give me the answer now? So it is 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial. So this is going to be 10 factorial by 6 factorial into 4 factorial, which is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it is going to be here in this case 210. So the right answer for this question will be option A. So remember, when there is a fixed quantity, you always reduce that number from both the total number as well as the number of things that you need to select. Okay, here the fixed number was 2. You subtract this from n value, which is 12, and from r as well. Okay, so this is one type of question where you have some particular person or particular things which are fixed. So when you have something like this particularly fixed, subtract that quantity from n and r and then get the value, right? So let me give you our next question. Okay, so look at the question now. Here you have the question. There are 6 players in a cricket team which is to be sent to Australia. The total number of members is 12. If 3 particular players are always excluded, then in that case what would be, or in how many ways can we do this selection, right? 3 people in the team, that is out of 12, are always excluded. They will not be considered while making a team of 6. In that way, in how many ways can we do this, right? So this would be 12 minus 3, right, which is equal to 9. And how many people do we have to select? We have to select 6 out of 9. So a required answer here in this case would be 9C6, which is going to be 9 factorial by 6 factorial into 3 factorial. So substituting the simplifying, this would be 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2. Yes, so what will be the right answer for this? So this is equal to 84 ways, and option C is the right answer for this question here. Yes, students, are you following this? Is that clear, everyone? Right? So let's proceed with the next question. So students, if you are liking my class, do not forget to give me a thumbs up there, and to join in my special classes that I will be taking up on the Unacademy platform as well. So in the description below you will find a link to my profile, so do check on the link and do follow me. Do get yourself enrolled to the plus classes. While you're getting yourself enrolled for the special classes, do not forget to use the code that is Cleeta D'Souza, CLEETADSOUZA, to access the free special classes on our platform there. So yes, here you have the next question for the class students. How many words of 4 letters with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word number when the repetition of letters is not allowed? Okay, so here we have the word number given. How many alphabets do we have? All are different, right? We have 6 different alphabets here. We are asked to form a 4-letter word with meaning or without meaning, right? And it is also told that the repetition of the letters is not allowed. So you have basically 6 possibilities to fill in, right? And then 5, 4 and 3. So what would this value be equal to? Yes, can I have your answers, students? What will be the right answer for this question here? And the right answer here in this case would be equal to 360. Am I correct? So option D is the right answer for this question, students. Right? Yes. So this was the last question for today's class, students. So we will continue with the practice of question 4, permutation and combination, in the upcoming class. Right? So keep yourself subscribed here on our YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. You will receive notification for the upcoming classes as well. And I would take up a next session on 12th of December, right, where we'll continue with the practice of questions on permutation and combination. So meanwhile, in the description, students, you'll find the link to my profile where you can join me in my special classes on a platform that is Unacademy. So do click on the link there and do join me in my special classes. I will be live every day morning, and do not forget to follow me there to keep yourself updated with the classes. Apart from that, I will also be taking up the plus classes for KCET preparation. As you can see on the screen, the plus classes come in a live mode, and apart from that, we also have live doubt clearing sessions. We also conduct quizzes, test series, mock tests, which would be helpful in the analysis as you are preparing for competitive examination. Along with this, you will also have the access for the different batch courses that we have. So Champions batch is one of the batch that we have, students. Apart from that, we have the Kannada batch and the comprehensive batch. So you could choose your subscription accordingly, whether it's for 1 month, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months, right? So do not forget to use the code that is Cleeta Live. Using this, you will get 10% off on all the classes here on the platform. So yes, it's time for me to wind up this class, students. Have a very good day, and I will see you soon with one more session on permutation and combination. So let's crack KCET 2021-2022 with Unacademy, India's largest learning platform.